unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Everyplate. If you're not familiar, Everyplate is a meal delivery service. They get all of the ingredients together that you need to create really good meals in 30 minutes. Give or take a couple of minutes. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Now, my husband and I, we get 2 servings for each meal, and we get 5 meals for the week. That only runs us around $63, which is half the price of a lot of the other meal services out there. You get to change your vegetables, you get to change your proteins if you like, you get to add extra meals if you like. So if you wanted to stretch it out for 7 meals, you just add meals to the week. And if you're interested in trying Everyplate, I can get you $60. That's a lot of food. You might have to just pay for tax and shipping, or you might not even use the whole thing. But the key to using these is you get your first free box, and before the next week renews, you have to cancel if you decide that you don't like it. Now, we tried that. We like it, so we get it every single week. You can skip weeks if you're traveling. Now, they include recipe cards. This one is tomato cream chicken linguine, an upside down caramelized onion burger, pork chops and creamy Dijon mustard sauce, mushroom sauce, oh, sweet potato and onion tacos, sweet corn flatbreads. Oh, I got 2 by accident. Would you like one? Plus, keeping these recipe cards gives you a lot of meal ideas in the future. And you're also going to get a little envelope with some coupons in it. Let's see. Oh, okay. The green pan, 33% off your next purchase. Here you go. Scan that. And then lemonade. And then we have lemonade. Now, after reading this, it appears that it is pet insurance. Bundle and save. And if you're interested in something like that, lemonade.com/everyplate. Okay. Now, it comes in a very well-packed box. And that's what it kind of looks like. And there's a cardboard tray inside. With all of your ingredients. We will go over that in a moment. And they have 2 of these big ice blocks in here. And you're going to find your proteins on the bottom. So this is what a package of pork chops looks like. And we have ground beef. The quality of the meats, really good. Chicken breast strips, look at those. See any fat on those? And then we have some bacon. Oh, I bet I got that for the burger. This was an add-on. Oh, the bacon. This is the best bacon I have ever had in my life, by the way. I'm just going to slip these right back down in there so that we can go over what's inside the box. Okay, now inside the box is where you're going to find all of your ingredients. Now you may not find olive oil and butter and flour because you're going to provide those on your own. But they give you everything else. Everything I need is right here for the whole week. We have scallions, cheese, herbs, a little cute little bottle of balsamic vinegar. Is that a sweet potato? That must be a sweet potato. Very odd looking because I would think it's supposed to look like that. Okay. We have some buns, tomatoes, garlic. If you only need 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, they'll put the whole bulb in here. So I have a lot, I have a lot of garlic. They put their sour creams and cream cheeses in here and any kind of sauce you may have. Here's your pasta, potatoes, flatbread. These are really good. One of my favorite meals. More cheese. Here are the mushrooms. See, and here are all of your little packets of things. And you're going to want to make sure you check inside the big box because these will fall out of this down inside. So you've got to look for that. More garlic. Tortillas. And as you can see, I've got potatoes and peppers and onions and more potatoes. And I have a box of corn in here. So they give you everything. And with these meals, it makes it so much more economical. You're actually saving money by doing it this way because you're not buying the whole jar of mustard or mayonnaise, and you're not buying the whole bag of onions or potatoes. They just send you what you need, and that saves money, and there's less waste as well. But my husband and I really, really enjoy it. Again, if you would like to try everyplate, let me know in the comments down below. I'll get with you and I will send you the code to one of these, and then you can enjoy it for yourself. I am really happy that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.